The 2027 Kia Seltos is entering a completely new generation with a first-ever hybrid powertrain, a bolder exterior inspired by the Telluride, and interior space that's finally catching up to what families actually need. If you've been shopping for a small SUV that delivers real value without forcing you to choose between style, efficiency, and practicality, the timing of this redesign is working in your favor. The 2027 Seltos is showing up with best-in-class second-row legroom, an estimated 45 miles per gallon in the city, and a look pulled directly from Kia's most popular SUVs. Here are 6 reasons why waiting for the 2027 Kia Seltos is a genius move. Number 6. It looks bolder, more aggressive, more mature. The 2027 Seltos is coming with a full exterior redesign. Every panel is new, and the direction Kia is taking is unmistakable. Gone are the soft, rounded lines of the outgoing generation. In their place, an upright, boxy stance with wider proportions and a front end drawn directly from the Telluride playbook. The grille is wider. The body is squared off. The silhouette reads as confident rather than cautious. Walk into any crowded parking lot today, and the core problem with this segment becomes obvious. The HR-V, the Corolla Cross, the Kicks, they're barely distinguishable at a distance. For buyers living with a vehicle for 5 or 6 years, that visual anonymity has a real cost in daily satisfaction, resale value, and the quiet pride that comes from driving something you actually like looking at. The 2027 Seltos is solving this problem directly. X-Line trims are adding black 19-inch wheels, specific front and rear bumpers, and side sills with piano black and gunmetal trim. Star map lighting, the same design cue used on the EV9, gives the new Seltos a distinctive nighttime presence well above its price point. Flush door handles in 3 new exterior colors, terrain brown, frost blue, and snow white pearl with a contrasting black roof, round out a package that finally looks the part. The new look alone is a compelling reason to wait. But it's what Kia is putting under the hood for the very first time that's going to make a difference every single month you own this vehicle. Number 5. Hybrid powertrain. Kia is adding a hybrid to the Seltos lineup for the very first time, and it's a properly developed system, not a mild hybrid workaround designed to move fuel economy by a few percent. The setup is built around a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder paired with an electric motor and a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic with both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive available. Here's what most compact SUV owners don't calculate until the purchase is already done. A vehicle used daily, commuting, errands, school runs, easily logs 12,000 to 15,000 miles a year. At that rate, fuel economy stops being an abstract spec and starts becoming a monthly expense that compounds quietly over a 5-year loan. The front-wheel drive Seltos Hybrid is projected to return around 45 miles per gallon in the city and 42 on the highway, numbers that translate into hundreds of dollars saved every year compared to a gas-only competitor in this segment. The all-wheel drive variant adds a rear electric motor to create an e-all-wheel drive system, pushing estimated output to around 160 horsepower and 240 pound-feet of torque. Efficiency holds up well at roughly 42 city and 39 highway. The instant torque delivery from the rear motor also adds a sharpness to everyday acceleration that a naturally aspirated engine at this price point simply can't replicate. A powertrain like this changes the ownership math significantly, but a great engine means very little if the cabin is too cramped to actually enjoy. And that's where the 2027 Seltos pulls off something no previous generation ever managed. Number 4. Interior space. The 2027 Seltos is moving to the K3 platform, and the structural benefits start with the wheelbase, which is stretching by 2.4 inches over the outgoing model. The body is also wider and slightly taller. Kia is putting every bit of that added footprint to work inside the cabin, and the result is a vehicle that behaves very differently from the Seltos it's replacing. Anyone who has tried to seat 2 adults in the back of a subcompact SUV knows how that story usually ends. Cramped knees, an upright posture, a cargo area that fills up before the second bag is loaded. These aren't edge cases, they're the everyday trade-off of a segment that routinely sacrifices rear seat comfort for a smaller exterior footprint. The 2027 Seltos is drawing a firm line against that compromise. Rear seat legroom increases by a full inch, with Kia claiming best-in-class second-row space for the new generation. Hip, shoulder, and headroom grow as well. The rear bench reclines up to 12 degrees, a detail that matters more on a 2-hour highway stretch than any spec sheet implies. Cargo capacity keeps pace, with an estimated 27.8 cubic feet behind the second row and 64.1 cubic feet with seats folded, both up from the current models 26.6 and 62.8. All of this is impressive, but if hybrid pricing isn't in the budget just yet, the gas-only powertrain lineup has a couple of answers that are worth knowing about before writing it off. Number 3. Excellent gas-only options. Not every buyer is going hybrid, and the 2027 Seltos is keeping two solid gas-only powertrains in the lineup, both now running on the K3 platform, which brings a more composed ride and tighter handling than the previous generation managed. The base option is the 2.0-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder, producing 147 horsepower paired with a CVT. Front-wheel drive comes standard, with all-wheel drive available as an upgrade. Expected fuel economy lands around 28 city and 34 highway in front-wheel drive form, competitive for a daily driver, with a tank range of approximately 409 miles. The stronger option is the 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, rated at 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic and standard all-wheel drive. That 8-speed is a noticeably more responsive pairing than a CVT in real-world driving. Previous Seltos models with this engine reached 60 miles per hour in about 7.3 seconds. Expected range with the new model comes in around 330 miles, two powertrain options, a more spacious cabin, and a bolder exterior. That's already a strong case. But the off-road story is where the 2027 Seltos starts to separate itself from everything else in this class. Number 2, off-road performance. The outgoing Seltos was adequate on gravel. It wasn't designed for more than that. Ground clearance sat at a modest 6.3 inches, and while all-wheel drive was available, the system wasn't calibrated for varied terrain. The 2027 model is arriving with a noticeably different attitude toward capability. X-Line trims are getting 8.1 inches of ground clearance, a jump that meaningfully changes approach and departure geometry. Updated bumpers are designed to complement those improved angles. A multi-terrain all-wheel drive mode is being added to select trims, reading surface conditions, grass, gravel, mud, sand, and adjusting torque distribution accordingly. The hybrid all-wheel drive version holds up equally well here. Because the rear electric motor operates independently, torque reaches the rear wheels instantly, with no mechanical coupling delay. Better capability, more clearance, smarter all-wheel drive. The 2027 Seltos is delivering all of it, and the final reason explains why everything covered so far is coming at a price that makes the decision surprisingly straightforward. Number 1. Value that's hard to beat. Gas-only versions of the 2027 Seltos are about to start at around $27,000, with the X-Line landing near $33,000. Hybrid pricing is estimated to begin around $30,000, rising to approximately $36,000 at the top. That's a step up from the 2026 model's roughly $25,000 starting point, but the gap in what buyers are actually receiving is far wider than that price difference suggests. Buyers in this segment have seen the opposite pattern often enough to be skeptical. A cheaper sticker price that arrives with thin base trim features, key equipment buried in option packages, and a warranty that expires right around the time maintenance starts costing real money. The 2027 Seltos is countering that pattern at every level. Standard features across the lineup are going to include a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, a ChatGPT-powered AI voice assistant, lane keep assist, forward collision avoidance with pedestrian detection, and driver attention warning. Higher trims add blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic avoidance, a surround view camera, and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. At every tier, the equipment list competes with vehicles priced thousands of dollars higher. Then there's the warranty. Kia's 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain coverage remains the benchmark in the segment. Combined with a bolder exterior, more passenger space, 3 powertrain options, and improved off-road geometry, the 2027 Seltos is delivering a fundamentally better vehicle for a modest premium. Buying the 2026 model today means stepping past all of that for short-term savings that won't feel significant 12 months from now. The 2027 Kia Seltos is arriving as a more complete vehicle than anything this segment has seen from Kia before. A full redesign that brings bolder styling, a first-ever hybrid powertrain with available all-wheel drive, best-in-class rear legroom, improved off-road geometry, and a standard equipment list that competes with SUVs priced several $1,000s higher, all backed by the best powertrain warranty in the business. Gas versions are going on sale in mid-2026, with the hybrid following before year's end. For anyone currently weighing the 2026 model against the weight, this is one of those rare cases where patience is paying for something genuinely better, not just something newer. But all these improvements alone don't guarantee success because there are some excellent alternatives in the segment. One of them is the Mazda CX-30, which you can check out in our next video. It's luxurious, stylish, and really engaging to drive, which is a combo you won't find anywhere else in this segment.